Hey guys, welcome back to Natural Beauty with Clarissa. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an all-natural organic face scrub. If you would like to see more beauty hacks, make sure you subscribe to my channel and put on your post notifications so you know when I upload a new video. The ingredients somewhere either here or here, so don't worry. Once you finish mixing all your ingredients, you should wind up with something that looks like this. Now, if you accidentally add too much liquid or something, that's okay. Just go ahead and crush up some more oatmeal and put it inside the bowl and you'll be good to go. So first we're going to start out by washing your face. Now, if you have a face wash that you want to use, go ahead and use your face wash. But I'm going to just use water because I'm going to use my face wash later after I finish doing my scrub. So I'm going to start by washing my face. You don't want to use hot water. You just want to use warm water. Alright guys, so I finished washing my face. And you want to take your cloth and you want to just blot your face because you don't want your face 100% dry because you want the oatmeal to stick to your face. So next, you want to take your oatmeal and put it on your face. If you have an applicator like I do, that's fine. But if you don't, go ahead and use your fingers. Whatever will work. So you want to go ahead. And it gets kind of messy, so as you see, I have on this old shirt right here. So go ahead and take your oatmeal mix and smear it on your face like this. You might want to hold the bowl underneath of your face to catch whatever falls off. Because like I said, guys, this is pretty messy. But trust me, it is so worth it in the end. Your face is going to be so soft and smooth. Like a baby's bottom. So you want to make sure you get in your whole face. Like so. And don't be shy about getting it on there. Like I said, it's going to make a mess regardless. So just make sure you get it all on there. Try to cover every little bit because you want to make sure you're exfoliating every part of your face. And if you have bad acne, this really helps because of the honey and the apple cider vinegar. It really helps with acne. I use this on my daughter's face a lot because she gets acne, and it's like the very next day after using this on her face, the redness is gone, the bumps are not as big as they were, so this really works. So we're almost done. And if you want, you can go ahead and do your neck too, because a lot of people sometimes forget about the neck. We're so focused on the face that we forget about our neck. And you know, you can show signs of aging on your neck. So you really want to, whatever routine you do for your face, you want to do for your neck as well. Especially when you start getting up in age. Alright, that looks good to me. So now that we have all this on our face, what you want to do is go ahead and let it dry. So it's going to take between 15 to 20 minutes to dry. I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, it's been about 15 or 20 minutes and my face is actually dry now. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and rinse it off. Now while you're rinsing this off your face, you want to be scrubbing this in because like I said, this is an exfoliant. And you really want to get all that dry skin and all that off your face and your neck. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off and I'll be back. So now guys, I finished washing my face and oh my goodness, it feels so soft. I can see the glow on my cheeks and everything. So my face gets dry a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my face with this Clean and Clear Morning Burst. It's a hydrating cleanser and it does really good for my face. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my face. I'm going to start by putting a little bit of water on my face and about 1 pump. of the Clean and Clear. This stuff is really good and it really moisturizes your face. It goes on so smooth and silky. And this is just going to add the moisture back to your face from you exfoliating. And you really want to get everything. You want to be going up on your face. You don't want to be coming down. It's really pulling your face down. So when you wash your face, you really want to be going up and with your neck as well. Get your forehead and your bridge of your nose and your eyes. Guys want to know a hack to getting pinker lips, I did a video on it and I'll link it in the description. And it's a lip scrub that really does wonders for your lips. It really exfoliates all the dry skin in your lips and it moisturizes it as well. And it just helps you to get not only a lighter color lips, it just helps you to get healthier lips. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off and I'll be back. So now that your face is washed, what I like to do is go ahead and put some oil on my face. Now I use 3 types of oil. I use sweet almond oil. I use like 2 drops of vitamin E oil. And I use the organic coconut oil. What I've done was I went ahead and mixed some inside this little container. And while your face is wet, you want to go ahead and dip your fingers in and just apply it on your face and your neck. And remember, you want to do this while your face is wet. It's kind of like your hair, you know how you want to get those oils and stuff on your hair while your hair is wet to seal in that moisture. You want to do the same thing with your face. Make sure you get your lips, under your eyes, your neck, and you really want to massage that oil into your face. You don't just want to put the oil on your face and let that be it. You want to really get in there and massage your neck. Massaging all those oils into your face and your forehead. Like so. So now guys, I almost forgot. I have some vitamin C here. And I like to put this under my eyes because it helps with dark circles under the eyes. And it comes with a little applicator like this. So I'm going to put a little under my eyes. And I'm going to massage that in as well. And this really helps with the dark circles under your eyes. So you want to rub this in under your eyes. Yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys like the video, if so, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Hit that bell for post notifications. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.